Before hiring any contractor, it's important to have a simple checklist that helps you make smarter decisions and avoid costly mistakes. This is why having a trust checklist can make all the difference before committing to any project. A few minutes of careful research today can save you weeks of stress later. A reliable contractor should demonstrate professionalism, transparency, and accountability from the very beginning. When the right steps are followed, hiring a contractor becomes far less risky. The goal is simple: reduce uncertainty and choose someone you can confidently trust with your project. Skip the drama and unnecessary stress. Choose professionals who do the job right. The first time. Show up when they say they will, stay accountable to their commitments, and stand behind their work. Confirm the contractor carries proper insurance before any work begins. Let's walk through the essentials that can help you make a more informed decision. Start by verifying insurance coverage. A professional contractor should be able to provide a valid certificate that clearly lists their coverage. Workers' compensation protects workers in case of injury. General liability insurance protects you and your property during the project. If necessary, contact the insurance provider directly to confirm the policy is active. Reliable professionals will have no issue with verification. Next, read recent customer reviews. Focus on patterns rather than isolated comments. Consistent feedback about professionalism, communication, and quality work is usually a strong indicator of reliability. Verify the contractor's credentials as well. Check for proper licenses where applicable. Look for membership in professional trade associations. And confirm any required local permits for the type of work being performed. Many regions provide searchable databases where licenses and registrations can be verified. Taking a moment to confirm these details adds an extra layer of confidence. Always request written quotes from at least 3 contractors. A clear quote should break down important details such as materials, labor, estimated timelines, and the payment schedule. This level of transparency protects both you and the contractor. Check references whenever possible. Review the payment schedule carefully so you understand when each payment is expected. Be cautious of unusually large upfront payments. Reliable contractors typically structure payments around project milestones. Ask to see photos of completed projects similar to the work you need done. Be cautious of unusually large upfront payments. Reliable contractors typically structure payments around project milestones. A clear written contract should outline expectations, deliverables, and timelines. Before making final payment, consider using a simple punch list to ensure all agreed work has been completed properly. And remember, if something feels wrong during the process, trust your instincts and take a step back. Doing your homework before hiring can prevent many of the common problems homeowners experience with contractors. Take the time to research businesses carefully and make informed decisions. To discover trusted service providers and learn more helpful guidance, visit directdflo.com. Quick checklist. Smarter hiring decisions, safer homes.